In the heart of a lush jungle nestled behind Banana Town Zoo, lived a cheeky little monkey named Bongo. He was not just any monkey. Bongo had a special talent for mischief and a knack for causing trouble while looking absolutely innocent. Every morning, zookeepers would find the animal feed switched around. The lions had carrots, the giraffes were chewing on sardines, and the parrots had a mountain of bananas. Everyone knew who was behind it: Bongo, but no one could catch him. One day, Bongo overheard the head zookeeper, Mr. Grizzle, saying, "If I catch that monkey one more time switching food, I'll enroll him in monkey kindergarten." The idea of wearing a tiny backpack and learning the alphabet terrified Bongo. So he decided it was time to pull the ultimate prank, something so legendary it would make the zookeepers forget about all his other tricks. At night, Bongo snuck into the staff room, borrowed Mr. Grizzle's glasses, hat, and clipboard, and waddled out like the most serious monkey in the jungle. He walked straight into the zookeeper meeting the next morning, stood on a chair, cleared his throat or tried to, and pointed at the whiteboard. In bold, wobbly letters he had written, "New rule. Monkeys allowed 3 banana breaks a day. Signed, Boss Zookeeper." The zookeepers stared. Mr. Grizzle squinted. One of the parrots in the back screamed, "Promotion!" Then chaos erupted. Monkeys cheered. The elephants sprayed water in celebration, and the zookeepers burst into laughter. Mr. Grizzle, trying to hide his smile, marched up to Bongo and said, "All right, you win this round, but tomorrow, it's monkey kindergarten for sure." Bongo didn't mind. He was already sewing banana peels onto his backpack. Moral of the story: never underestimate a monkey with a plan and access to office supplies.